Today, Chef Barry is going to make some simple chili. Just the basic stuff. So what we need is get all our ingredients out. So we need a can of dark red kidney beans. And we need some meat, a hamburger. And we need some chili powder. Well, what the heck else do we need here now? I think that's about it for now. Oh yeah, we need some tomato soup. That's this stuff right there. So first thing you do is throw the hamburger into the pot. And we start cooking it and breaking it up just like so. So we just keep cooking it up, and I also got some vegetables on here too. So we'll just keep stirring it up. We got this on kind of like a medium, about 7 right now. You don't want it too hot because you don't want to overdo it, but 7 is about right, and then it gets a nice cooking at a nice temperature there, and it doesn't burn it or anything. So it's coming along pretty good already, as you can see. And just keep at it there until it turns a nice brown and all the red is gone out of it. It's a very quick meal on a cold day, and when something nice and hot and nourishing. So chili is a good time to have in the winter time when we get all this cold weather outside. You can't do much outdoors unless you're a skier or a snow person, or somebody loves the winter, or skating or hockey or something like that. Well, our meat is just about done. So we'll just let that sit, cook up, and then I'm going to open up, put that out of the way. I'm going to open up a can of chili. Or should we say dark red kidney beans. And we just keep stirring it up. And then we got a cat down here that's always wants to be part of the team too, so he's got to say his 2 cents too. So we just pour out some of this hamburger juice because you don't need that. There we go. Oh, that's looking good now. So we'll just put that out of the way. And then we'll start pouring the dark red kidney beans into the meat. just stir it all up while it's heating, still at the same temperature between 7 and 8. Just turn down the mixed veggies there because they're already boiling, so we'll just turn down to simmer. And the next thing you want to do is pour the tomato soup on it. Or we got tomato sauce, so you could do that. Or, you can use, different things. But I usually like tomato soup. It was just like the way my mother used to do it. And cook that up, and then we want to put some chili powder on it. Like that. And then we just spice it up a little bit more. I'm going to put some seasoning salt on it. Like that. And stir it all up. And then we're going to put a little bit of salt and pepper on it. But everybody's taste is different. Some people may not like salt and pepper, so I like a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, just a dash of salt, a little dash of pepper. And it's pretty much ready to serve up. Put that back there. Plate. Now we just start dishing it out and it's ready to eat. And it's just that easy. So anybody doesn't know how to make chili, that's basically how you do it. But everybody's a little bit different. Some people may put different ingredients in and do it totally different, but that's just the way I do your basic chili that pretty well anybody could do. Okay, it's just that easy.